Today I'm going to show you how to install your snap shade on your Suburban and Yukon XL. This one's going to be a magnetic mount installation because we've got a plastic frame here. We've also got two other methods where you can just push it in or slide it in between this, but today I'm going to show you how to do the mount version. So what you're going to do is you're going to tuck the left side in and the bottom side in the gap behind this arm pad. You're going to grab your overhauling pads, and what you're going to do is you're going to clean the underside of this part where you've got the magnet here. You can see there's a bit of a recess there. So you're going to give this a good quick clean. And there's also another one right here. So I like to use my thumb to get rid of any oils and residue, and you'll feel a difference between what's slick and what's being cleaned. Next, you're going to grab your mount, stick it to where the magnets are. So this middle mount is actually optional, I find. But if you want a bit more security, you can install that. So what you're going to do is take the backing tape off and then place it underneath like so. And you're going to do the same for the middle one. Some cars have more oil than others, so it might take you a little longer to clean it off. The residue, I mean. With the mounts installed, you can now pop your shade on. Okay, looks like this side is a little bit stuck out. Just gonna push that in. That's it. Cool. And that's your install for your Chevy Suburban and GMC Yukon. This is the second method installation where you don't need to use any mounts. So you're going to put the left side in, you're going to have the window open, you're going to put the bottom of the snap shade in this gap right here, and now the top bit, you'll have to go to the other side. There is a rubber bit and a plastic bit, and you're going to put the shade in between. So I like to grab it with one hand, slide all the way to the bottom, make sure that the metal frame is underneath, like so. Similarly, you're going to do it at the top. Like that. So you're going to find that half of this border is going to be missing or hidden behind the rubber. So probably from here all the way down to here is covered. Perfect. And so I've tested this to hold up to 35 miles per hour if you have the windows halfway down. That's it. There are actually three ways to install a snap shade on your Chevy Suburban. One method is to actually just pop it in and make sure that the top is nice and flush. Left side is pushed in, right side is hidden at the back of the corner, and that's it. But this method, you're not allowed to open the window up and down because this will just fly out when you drive up to 35 miles per hour. Do a quick sign check. Perfect, doesn't fall out. And this is just a very hassle-free installation.